Alright, we are live. Market about to open. Market about to open here. Haven't even poured my cup of coffee yet. Got to my desk late, as usual. I'm expecting a volatile open. Alright, there's market open. And here we go. Yep. So we had a pretty crazy session last night where we had this random massive spike. I think it was because of China's economics. China's reported slower growth than expected, so I guess that's reason for the market to go up. Who cares, man? What's up, oh gosh, Abhishek. Let me, for some reason, there we go. Okay, sorry guys, 1 second, you know the drill. Gotta send this out to everyone. Okay, I think we should be good now. All right, so as the title says, as the title should say, let me just double check that. We are looking for another full port kind of day. We are looking to full port the My Funded Futures account. If you guys don't know, My Funded Futures is currently running some kind of promo where you get $50, or you get, oh crap, what is it, 50% off? 50% off, no activation fee, which is crazy for My Funded Futures because their 50K account is like $100. So you can get an account at My Funded Futures for $50 all in. So I have a My Funded Futures account open here. I have my other accounts open on this screen. And essentially I am trading like 6 accounts at the same time on different platforms. So God willing, we will full port the My Funded Futures account while also still trading the serious accounts that we take serious. Zapadies, morning. Yes, it's morning. Gotta apply my morning Vaseline. Kim, what's up? Love from India. Thank you, Abhishek. All right, I have my coffee waiting for me, but this market I know can move too quick. So let's break down what we're seeing here. Obviously, we're seeing a tank right now. We have an imbalance area marked out right over here, but we do not really care about imbalance areas. We really care about order zones, right? That's what it's all about. So let's see if we can identify some kind of order zone. 844 low over here. This may technically be an order zone right here. It's not a traditional one. I wish I could go into a lower time frame. But I will be watching this low here, a low into this candle here, because this was, what was that, CPI? So, yeah, that was CPI. So, yeah, this is like a big imbalance candle here. Imbalance originated from right there, so that is technically the level of demand. All right, now let's watch this level closely. This is an imbalance area. We don't technically really have all that much liquidity here, but it very well could hold up, honestly. We did kind of create this low right here, so we could see a small reaction out of this area, or a big reaction. Who knows? The market only likes to go up, right? So, what's good? Hopping on while on my work break. Thank you, Dylan. Much appreciated. All right, so that's obviously not a good candle there. So, ooh, well, that's a better candle. I'm not trading this just yet. It's not an order zone. It's not what I trade. It's not what I teach. So I will be waiting for this. I will full port that. If we get down to here, I think I will full port that. ATR is currently 15, so a lot bigger than yesterday. I think ATR yesterday was like 9 or something. Also, TikTok. I gave you guys the profit tab. Okay, now I need to pay attention. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. Let me see if I can trade this, because these are the days that you got to be quick. No. Come on, tap into imbalance. We've still not technically tapped in there. Crap. That might be it. Is that all we're gonna get? Need to get into that gray zone for me, ideally. I may be being too picky here, but yeah, in hindsight, the zone may have to have been drawn something like this. God dang it. It's okay, we might get a second chance. Maybe not. What's that, my Tijuana lock-in? Yeah. Dang it, man. That's a nice trade to be in right now if you're in there. I missed that. Bollocks, dude. I should have just known better that we saw the signs of the reversal. I just didn't take it because of the freaking gray box. It just didn't get into the gray box. I redrew this. Now it looks like it got into the gray box. This is the proper zone, in my opinion, but I mistakenly drew it like this. So it just barely missed it, unfortunately. But we could get a retest here. Let's see. Do you use leverage when trading? I think technically yes. I don't really pay attention because I don't trade large enough size to where it even matters. So, all right, let's see what happens here. That is a massive 5-minute candle. So now let's be prepared for the worst case scenario, which is breaking these lows, which this is not ideal. Keep it marked just in case, just for now. There's a lot going on right now. I'd like to see a bigger sweep of these lows. Oh God, dude, don't tell me we're gonna make a higher low there. That's so awkward. Good morning, Santiago. Both ES and NQ took liquidity, yeah. Just barely missed that trade. Now waiting for potential re-entry, which it is being stubborn. Did NQ take that low? No, it did not. Did ES take that low? Yes, it did. Oh, ES looks way better right now. Come on. Trade micros? Yes. Yes, micros are the only things you should be trading if you're trading prop firm accounts, unless you're trading like a $300,000 account. Excuse me. Now this 15-minute looks like we should take these lows out, which is a little bit annoying because here comes the sweep. All right, I am longing this full port. Okay. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God, that is terrible. Okay. Well, I got stopped out on. Oh, and I breached the frickin' my funded futures soft breach. I forgot about that. Wow, that happened so quickly I couldn't even play stops in, guys. I just got screwed. Wow. That is awful. Oh, wait. And my software's glitching. Guys. My accounts, they're just showing no profit. Okay, well, I still need to trade this. I'm still interested in trading this, and but my accounts are just not working right now. My trade copier, it's just not copying my trades. I don't understand what's going on right now. So my funded futures account, I can't trade. It is not breached. It's soft breached, which means I'm locked out for the day, which just means I technically hit their max loss, which is not surprising. It was a full port on massive volatility on CPI day. So here's one of my trades on my, my not full port accounts, which is working out. But look at this. My freaking trade copier is just not working because I'm trading the wrong leader account. Wow, guys, today is not my day. Today is not my day. I did not come prepared. God dang it, dude. It's one of those days. It's one of those days, man. This trade is doing well, but, it's not being copied to, the 6 accounts that it should be getting copied to. Ugh. Oh, my God, dude. And this is a freaking Apex account. I don't give a shite about my Apex accounts. The good news is that I only took that one losing trade on the Apex account as well, so I'm not down on all of my accounts. But god dang, dude. Wish I just held off the full porting just a little bit. This would be a beautiful trade to be full porting. But I also forgot about the My Funded Future soft breach feature. What a beautiful frickin' trade, man. And it's not being copied to the accounts that I actually care about. Okay, all out there. Oh. Okay. God, dude. God, that pisses me off so much. Just stupid mistakes. Okay, so let me switch. Let me make sure I have the right freaking software on, the right account set up. And this is like the best trade to be in right now, probably. And My Funded Futures, I don't think I can trade anymore because of the soft breach, which is so annoying. I forgot that they do that. Total P&L down 1,200, yeah, because that thing just moved so quickly. Okay, so what I'm going to do... I mean, we got a banger of a trade on the Apex account, but I don't care about the Apex accounts. Because I don't really want to get funded all that badly with Apex. I'd rather get funded with My Funded Futures or take Profit Trader. At least you guys are getting some entertainment. And by the way, look at how my gut feeling, 15-minute, look, I said just a couple minutes ago, 15-minute looks like it's going to want to come down and take these lows out. And for some reason, my dumb butt full ported up right here. But it is what it is. 9 out of 10 times those trades are going to be a break even or winner. Today's just that one day where I got unlucky. So let me really quickly, I need to sign in to my other accounts. So let me, I need to hide my screen. God dang it, please just hide the screen. Okay, give me 1 second. I need to log into my Take Profit Trader account. Wow, and look at this thing ripping. Well, you can't see it now, but it's ripping. It's ripping higher. You know, this is all my fault for not coming prepared. It's really a dang shame. Log out. I'm just logging into my new account, guys. Give me 1 second. Oh my god. Okay, and we are good. Bada boom. Bada bang. And boom. Okay, so now this is my main Take Profit Trader account. MFF is pricey? No, dude, they're like the cheapest ones. You can get an account for $50 right now at My Fund of Futures. All in, no activation. Now, admittingly, it is annoying that that they do have that soft breach rule on the account that I purchased, because that just screwed me today big time. But I'm also trying to full port it. If I wasn't full porting that rule wouldn't be an issue. Just shut down your computer and go for a walk. No, I'm not on tilt. I'm not on tilt. This is not as bad as some other days, but I took a good trade, so I'm not on tilt. I liked that I took a good trade. But the problem was that I wasn't copying it on all my accounts. That's the only thing. So that's annoying as heck. So now I'm trying to think of what I want to do. I have coffee on the stove that I would like to go get. Man, my computer's screaming right now. So there's a little bit of a retest of that zone. Man. I don't even know how I was on the wrong frickin' leader account. I actually have no idea how that's possible. Anyways, what's up TikTok? What's up YouTube? We just full ported and soft breached the My Fund of Futures account and then took a banger trade on one stupid Apex eval. It should have been on 6 different accounts. So yeah, I've gotten pretty unlucky on today's stream so far. Let's see if we can turn it all around. We usually have a good track record of being able to turn around a bad day. We did it yesterday. So let's see if we can do it today. What's your strategies? Too many people ask me this question, so I have to just tell you, go join the free Discord, go watch the free bootcamp on my page, on my YouTube channel. And if you really need help after that, there's a paid course as well that covers everything. There's literally everything you need to know to become a profitable trader on my YouTube and Discord and course. Literally everything that you see me trade here. Which, if you're not a long-time viewer, that means nothing to you. But if you are, you know it works pretty dang well if you master it. At least so far. Knock on wood. All right, retest a little bit of that second touch kind of thing. So if this thing starts running, we may actually just go right back up to highs. Full port buys. I was full porting buys down here, but this wick stopped me out on soft breach. Big mistake on my end. I totally forgot about soft breach rule on my funded futures. So that is my fault today. Everything today has been my fault. Just been a mess so far. I'm not down on the day on my main accounts, which is good. I am annoyed that I got soft breached on a trade that should have been a profitable trade. But that's okay. So this is looking I haven't even looked at VWAP. Why does my VWAP look like this? I did not make it look like this. What is going on today? All my software is just not... It's like somebody just went into my computer and started changing things. Bands fill. So that bounce was actually at VWAP. We have been trading above VWAP for most of the session. Not surprising there. It might be worth a shot if we break this low here. Sideways again. Yeah, man. Gotta love that sideways price action. Oh gosh. And the volume drying up. I think we'll get a sweep of this area. So we got a sweep, but I'm not really seeing what I usually like to see, which is annoying because I would love to enter. Dude. Another day of fighting for my friggin' trades. God dang it, dude. I saw the price action was great. It's just that there was not a lot of volume in there, so I was a little bit worried. It was going to be a no volume reaction, and we just slipped right through all of it. You're in. Nice. Lucky. Anybody else in? You don't have to copy me. Make your own decisions. It might just help you. Might just do better than me. I'm the master of missing trades. Are we gonna get a retest? If we get a retest, it's not even as good of an opportunity because it shouldn't really retest at this place over and over again. And that VWAP can cause some chop. Snoops is in. Nice, Snoops. Want to go long and hit that high. Same. Now I don't really trust it just yet. Where's the volume, man? I need some sort of volume. I just don't feel comfortable entering on low volume. I thought today was CPI day. All the big hitters should be played, right? Alright, I might look to enter. This is not my favorite trade. Ugh. What is this price action, dude? I can't trade this. It's too hard on my psyche. I'm worried that we're starting to gather too many stops beneath those lows. Like that. Yes, like that. Alright. Now, unless we're just going to slip right through here, which, God, that would make me annoyed. Wow, stop loss has to be around here. That's intense. You know what? We're probably just going to go and sweep these wicks if I had to guess. This is not an ideal trade. But let's see if we can at least get, manage the risk. That was a sweep, right? We saw that sweep happen, so let's see if it follows through. Right now, it's not looking like it wants to. God dang, man. Wow. Full loss? Is this going to be a full loss? Another high volume candle there. Wow, huge rejection on the sell side. What is going on? Volatility's picking up now. We might just blow down here. We're going to make some kind of move here. Up or down. Let's see. It's looking like it's about to make a big move. Ooh. Is it going to be up? Are we going to get saved? And big rejection back down. Are we going to try again? Pretty please. Market gods, please. No. Wow. Oof. Alright. Full loss. Let's go. What a day to be alive. And now it's sweeping that wick there. Do I even want to take this trade again? Let's actually, this might be an order zone right here that I just have completely ignored. God, I am not on my game today. Wow, dude. That was an order zone right there that I just didn't have marked out. What is going on with me? Am I, like, I might need to get my brain scanned. Today I'm just not doing good. So far, we might make a comeback, we usually do, but God, it's been just stupid mistakes on my end. That was the re-entry right there. That's where I should have been looking to enter. For some reason I was messing around with it up here. Because, I don't know. I don't know why. We did see, we saw a high volume sweep. Saw two sweeps basically. But this was the big mama sweep. This is what you want to see. Ideally. I'm not happy right now with my day so far, but let's see, maybe we can manage to turn it around, maybe. We've only had one full loser. It was a much bigger loser though than I am usually taking, which is kind of annoying. Because the ATR is big right now, 15. So I was kind of forced to put my stop wider, which, as you know, I'm not a fan of wide stops, which is why I'm kind of considering throwing out using ATR altogether. Because sometimes ATR is massive, and it doesn't need to be massive. I know, like, the stops do not always need to be one ATR, it looks, from what I'm seeing. So we'll see if I keep doing that. I mean, I already kind of don't use one ATR. One ATR is like my biggest stop loss, so maybe I just kind of stick to that. Let's see if we get another go at these lows. I had my finger on the trigger there. I just didn't do it. I may be on tilt. I may be on tilt, chat. I might have to take it easy today. This stream started out so freaking hectic. And it's just carrying through. It's carrying through to everything else. God. What's your main strategy? Join the Discord. Join the free boot camp on YouTube. God. My dude. I want to punch my screen right now. You guys couldn't see it, but I was literally just finger on the trigger, about to hit buy, and I just got greedy. I wanted a little bit of a better price, didn't execute, and shit just freaking exploded. God, all right, I'm gonna go get some coffee. Let me try to breathe. Okay, so those two trades, these two areas, were probably the only two areas that offered the best opportunities for today. So that is why I'm tilted. Because I know these are the opportunities you gotta catch. This man on tilt, L trading habits. Okay, let me show you this. Let me show you this, big man. Let me. How consistent is your trading? I'll show you how consistent my trading is. Here you go. Take a look. Here's my performance in the last 30 days. Only 2 red days in a row. That's my biggest losing streak. So, I don't know. Do I have bad trading habits? L trading habits? Seems pretty consistent to me. Did you end up catching that win yesterday? Yes, I did. I did make a comeback yesterday. Today, I'm not so sure. Today, I am just not doing as good. You only live here? Nope. I am live on YouTube, Kick, Twitch, TikTok, Twitter. I'm live everywhere. Oh my god. Volume settings, these are just default settings. All right. So I'm down 140 on the main account. That isn't too bad. That is recoverable. But the best trades were in this area and this area. Especially now, obviously. Right there was a great entry. I couldn't catch it because today I'm just not feeling it, man. I think because of this big stop out here. You know what? It's because of the frickin' full port. That's why I don't like full porting, is because even if you even though I don't really care about the account, it's the mental annoyance of getting stopped out full porting. I think it'll just throw you off. Because that made me just not trust the market. The fact that we just kind of blew through there, even though I took a great trade on that on my other account. So then I got nervous trying to execute here because of this, you know, just threw me off. And look at what a trade that would have been. That would have been a freaking monster trade. ATR is 15, 14-ish. God, dude. By the way, I'm wearing the shirt today. Can't wait to gamble today. And that's exactly what I did earlier this morning. And now I'm paying the price for it. Mentally. If you were in the long, what was your target? Right now is my target, pretty much. I would probably be trailing this with a stop if I was in. God, how much I wish I was in. Dude, this has been the last, not the last, but like the last 5-ish trading days. It's just been like the most gruesome trading of my life. Just like missing all of the best moves by a second and then catching the small losers and small winners. Just constantly just getting small wins, small losses. I need that big fat win. I need the max win. If you let this get to your head like that, it just gets worse. Maybe try taking a day off. Listen, just let me do my thing. All right? I've been doing my thing for a long time. Just believe. Believe it'll be okay. We don't end the stream early because I'm a little tilted. We're going to get off of tilt. We're going to identify a textbook setup. And we're going to take it. And if that loses, then it loses. It is what it is. They must not know you yet. You're going to make that loss back. Yeah, you got to believe. It's very rare for me to end on a losing day. Doesn't mean I won't today. It's honestly feeling like one of those days that I might. But you got to believe. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete everything, and we're going to just start over. Dude, that is such an obvious order zone there. I just don't understand how I missed that. That makes me so mad. Whew. This thing is probably going to go back all the way up to the highs now. Alright, Alright, so let's mark out what zones we can. I think I'm just going to mark all of this out. Imbalance area there. I think I would like that trade if we could create an order zone here. Doom, doom. Maybe something like this. My biggest issue is being greedy. I can make 500, but I can't stop, so I end up losing. Yeah, that's that is tough to beat. For me, honestly, it's like if I get a monster trade in the morning, I know that I really don't start. I don't keep trading after 12 p.m. So if I get a monster trade at like 10 a.m., there's no reason for me to keep trading. Because I only got 2 more hours of trading, maybe. And for what? To maybe get a break even or a loser or a small win. You know? So if you catch a big trade early on, just call it there. Just be happy with it. It'll also help you psychologically the next day. Because you'll be off of that winning high. You got to reward yourself for following your rules. Because then you'll condition yourself to make it feel good to follow your rules. Even though I am very angry at myself for did I break my rules today or follow my rules? I don't even remember. Don't care anymore. With Take Profit Trader, can I request the same day? Yes. Take Profit Trader has by far the best payout policies. You can request twice in one day. If you trade, make money, request, trade, make money, request, they can do that. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can make an order zone here. This is MNQ. Oh my god, excuse me. Okay, time to lock back in. Time to lock back in. Like I said, I increased my size last week because of how consistently well I've been doing. And ever since I increased my size, nothing but a struggle. It's so annoying. And we've gotten, like literally, you guys remember the first day that I increased my size, I took a full loss on full size, and then the next trade I accidentally entered on just one contract. And then that trade was a monster trade, just went straight up, but I was only in on one contract. Like, my luck is insane. I don't know if I would call this an order zone. Need a little more liquidity to form. But I might just take it. We'll see. Depends on the price action. Because I've been able to read the price action today well. It's the problem. The problem is that I keep looking at the volume, and it seems like the volume is not really correlating with the price action today. Okay. Maybe. Okay. Okay, stops at break even. Let's frickin' go. You better just shoot up right now, gang. And now because I said that, it's over. Let's go. Selling 2. Trail 3. Or hold 3. That's how we do it. Will we survive the last 3 contracts is the question. We might get a retest after that long wick. That's something that I actually teach in the course. We call it a liquidity wick. But hopefully that all-time high euphoria fuels the market to just go up. Just go up. Market only go up. This looks like it should be able to get to those highs. Okay, it's going to take out those lows. Oh, wow. Are we going to go all the way back down here? Oh, my lord. Okay. Well, that is annoying. But let's see if we get a sweep of those lows again. Oh my god. I swear on everything I love, I will punch my monitor if this thing goes to the highs now. Look at where I got stopped out for break even. You can't make this stuff up, guys. You literally can't make it up. Get back in, someone said. I can't just get back in there. Wow, dude. You can't make this up. How is my luck this crazy? That was to the tick. To the tick, break even. At least I sold 2. That helps, but Jesus Christ, dude. What has been going on? Wow. Yeah, this thing's gonna go probably. This thing's probably gonna go. It looked like it wanted to come and sweep this low first. Still might. Let's see. Maybe. Maybe we get a second chance. But, God, it's just such a struggle. I'm pulling teeth to get these trades. It's normally not so choppy like this. All right, sweep. No? Sweep. That happens so fast. Oh my god. What is going on? This is tooth and nails. Tooth and nails. I'm pulling tooth and nails. My entry is not ideal. Okay, back to a break even. Risk off the table. Let's see if we can get an actual move. Hopefully you guys can see that. Can we get a real move? Can we get a real move? Please. 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 Just move. Just get out of here. Just do what you're supposed to do. Oh, wow. What a rejection there. Boom. Big push. Come on. Come on. It just keeps going to that high and getting rejected. Come on, dude. Big push. Big push. Big push. Come on. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Keep it up. Oh my god, dude. This thing just needs to go. It's driving me crazy. There we go. Okay. Rejected back down. Trying not to micromanage on that tick chart. I always do that. There we go. I sold one. Let's hope that's not all I get, dude. Honestly, knowing today, I should just be freaking taking everything off the table as soon as I see a little bit of a push. Because my luck has not been fantastic. Alright, we're just shooting right back down. Holy crap. Can we just move? Yes. Move. You can go. You can go now. Nope. Nope. Don't do that. Don't do that, please. This is so stressful. Today has been so stressful. If we end today green, it'll be just like yesterday. I think I said the same thing yesterday. It'll be a miracle. Yeah, this is stopping me out. Wow. Wow. Wow, dude. Wow, 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 wow. Just cannot get a full winner here. Insane. Like, what is that? What is that? What? That just took me out for 2 contracts. You know what? I'll take it. Better than a break even. This thing should go here. It should. Based off of everything that I know. When the market gets boring, I think you should play some chess. I've been missing the chess entertainment. Yeah, today I haven't really had the time, obviously. And look at this, guys. Ladies and gentlemen. It takes me out for... I had 5 contracts on. It takes me out for 3. Leaving me with just 2 contracts on. Which is like... I guess it's better than break even, but... It's just crazy how to the tick price comes down to my orders. It's probably going to sweep lower here. One more time if I had to guess. So I'm in 2/5 of my full size. Here comes the sweep. No? Am I really going to get a full winner on 2 contracts again? On 2/5 of my size? That would be like a perfect comedy. A perfect, well, there it goes. What's the word? I forget the word. Yep. Alright, the position that I would like to be in full size is now 2/5 the size because of a partial fill. Partial fill on a prop account is crazy. Can't believe my luck today. This is one of the craziest days we've had in a minute. Unlucky, not I am not crazy as in I'm getting lucky. I'm getting so unlucky today. Is it ever really luck? No. Trading is not okay. GJ, I'm going to ban you. You're annoying. You're annoying me. Stop preaching. Okay? I showed you my performance. I showed you the track record. I know how to do this. Okay? I'm trading how I trade. And normally I don't get annoyed easily, but today I'm annoyed. Okay. Alright, do I even want to keep trading this level? I don't know. I don't know. I don't think it really makes sense to anymore because the liquidity has all been taken out. Doesn't make sense to keep trading this, I don't think. Yeah, it's taken out. Okay, I'm not gonna trade this level anymore. I traded it the best that I could. There's no reason for me to keep trading that level. It doesn't even fit the idea of an order zone anymore. There is this next level here, which looks interesting to me. Sweep of this wick here, high volume wick. But at this point, we may just, I don't know, the market's looking a little bit heavy. Might tank down to sweep these lows at this rate. So we'll see. This is giving me a little bit of PTSD from over here when I said that we would sweep these lows, and then for some reason I started buying up here. Will I make the same mistake twice? We'll see. Do you ever go to the S&P if the NQ is being naughty? No, not really. The NQ is the only thing I've really only traded. Okay. I've taken like freaking a bajillion trades today. I'm down $36 on the main account. We were down $150. So, and that's with literally taking the world's smallest partials ever. Not even a full winner. So again, like I always preach, even if I trade like an idiot, my risk management and strategy always makes a comeback. Almost always. Obviously not always. But now that I said that, probably going to take the biggest loss I've ever taken in history because the market hears what you say and humbles you. But yeah, we were down 150. Now we are down $30 without even a full winner. Again, without even a single full winner. Not even half of a winner. That's why it's frustrating when I don't get the big winner, because I know how much that moves the needle in my favor once you get that big winner, which we just cannot seem to get. All right, let's lock in here. No way, we're just going to take that wick out and go, right? Are you options trading? No. I've been trading for a long time. I've never understood options. It just does not appeal to me. I know you prefer long in the market. What do you do personally when the market is bearish for a few weeks, months? If the market is in an overall downtrend, I will short. The only reason why I say the market only goes up is because you go to the daily chart and this is what it looks like. Okay, we've just been in this massive uptrend. Now, this trend down here, right? Perfect time to be short. But if the market is in an overall trend on the daily, on the 4 hour, on the hour, it's all going up. The order zones, I'm only going to look for bullish order zones. I do not do analysis of random stocks. Investor CG, sorry. I'm just trading the NQ, MNQ. Okay. Oh my god. Oh god, that's not a good close. Oh boy, this does not look healthy at all. Jesus, what a close on that candle. Oh my god, this needs to do a V-bottom reversal, or this might be it. Might be a bad trade. This thing needs to literally just reverse on a dime here. I'm going to be very aggressive on break even. Come on. Just frickin' explode out of here, man. Okay. Back down. And I should have been at a break even there, but I did not. So rip me. Let's see if I get a second chance. Okay, I'm at a break even. This thing's probably going to take me out. Oh my god, again. Oh my god. It took me partially out. Are you serious? How is this possible? How is it possible that I get partially filled on a prop firm account? Why is this happening? I had 5 contracts and it comes down, takes me out for 2. What's your strategy? Santiago, I got a free boot camp. It's the only playlist I have on my YouTube channel. And and the free Discord also on my YouTube channel. Or, I mean, link in my bio. Link in my bio. Are we actually going to get a directional move today? Or are we just going to keep grinding lower? That's the $1 million question. The $80 question right now. Okay, well, I'm in 3/5 the size now. Somehow got filled partially again. Twice in one day is insane. What an entry. It looked scary at first, but it ended up being quite good. Not the type of entry that usually works out, but today we got a little bit lucky. So far, we'll see. I mean, we've been unlucky the whole day. So let's see if we can even, if this luck will last. Oh my god. I'm so done with today. I'm ready for tomorrow. I'm ready for a new session. My brain can't handle this. My brain seriously cannot handle this right now. You know what? I think if I sell one, that brings us to a positive day. Oh, you're not going to let me do it, are you, market? You're not going to let me get that. Okay, don't want to micromanage. Let's see. Let's take a look at this chart. I mean, this chart looks like it wants to go. Problem is, chart has looked like it wants to go all day, and then all of a sudden it tanks back down. So, you know, let's see if it actually does it this time, or if we're just going to get blue-balled again for the 1 billionth time in a row. Oh my god, we're trading right at VWAP. No wonder we're chopping around. I just need a big fat move up so I can just trail my stop loss and we can just leave this day and be done with it. I like how the only full port trade that I took was the one main losing trade for the day. Everything else has been small loss, break even, small win. Alright, I'm going to just literally trail this here. And it's going to be a hit. Wow. Okay, all out there. Not even full size. 3/5 the size that I should be. My Replicanto is saying that I'm... Is it raining outside? Oh my god, it's raining. So apparently I'm still red on some accounts and green on some others. I'm not sure how that's physically possible because my Replicanto is set to copy my trades. So not really sure what's happening there. And thank God Almighty, I trailed my stop loss because this would have made me actually destroy my entire setup. Do we even take another trade? I might take another trade if we break these lows. Right now, right now might actually be a good trade though. No. Wait for these lows. Wait for these lows. All right, I might wait for those lows. That might be the only last trade that I take. See if we can get a actual trade to actually do something. So I'm green on the main account. Shoot. Oh, God. We're not moving. Come on, dude. Wow. You think I'm gonna go out without a fucking fight? Dude, zones are just not working today. I'm done after this. There's days where the zones just do not work, and today is one of those days. Alright, I think I'm going to walk away here. Oh, God. No, I want to be in this. Okay, this is my last trade. Break even. If we don't move, if this doesn't move now, like, it's just done. This whole day is done. Just don't trade. Okay. Alright. Dude. Really? Alright, I'm done. Alright. Now I'll walk away. I tried. There's nothing to be done today. I can't. There's just the zones are just not they're not holding. It is what it is. Days like today happen. So I'm down 41 on the main account, $41. Really just a small day, small losing day. Some days the markets just do not make sense, guys. It just happens. Today is one of those freaking days. One of those days where there's just that selling pressure is just way too strong. How many trades did I take today? Like, literally probably took 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 8, I think. Oh God, there goes the TikTok chat preaching. What is it with the TikTok chat and preaching as if everyone in that chat is a professional trader? TikTok, let me show you this. Okay. Here's my performance over the past month. All right. I'm okay. I'm all right. I know I come off as very emotional and blah, 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 but you do realize I'm streaming too, right? There's an aspect of content, an aspect of entertainment. They're 12. Ah, yes. I forgot about that. Oh, and look at that while I was talking to the TikTok chat. This zone is deciding to hold up. But yeah, watch this zone be the one that holds, the one after I'm done trading. Bro, you can't judge us after you just got stopped out 4 times. Yeah, it's called my strategy. I get stopped out a lot, but I get stopped out a small amount. Okay? I just showed you my performance. See, this is why you're probably a terrible trader, because you're thinking the amount of times you get stopped out correlates to how well you do. No, it doesn't. If you get stopped out for $1 4 times, and then you make a $5 trade, you're still good. The difference between the TikTok chat and the YouTube chat is stunning. I remember my first trade. Do you, I mean, I think it might just be rage bait at this point, but here's my performance. Here's my performance. I've done this live streaming every day. Just like this. All right. I don't know. All right. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it. It's a rage bait TikTok moment. Like, I'm literally showing my performance, live streaming it every day. And it's, you still got to deal with those people. All right. What time is it? 11 a.m. Yeah, well, I'm done trading. I'm just trying to think if there's any interesting zones to watch in the meantime. Hey bro, do you want to bet 1 week trading, put 10K on it, whoever has better performance wins? I'm not going to bet 10K from some random person on TikTok, but I will challenge you to the week. Let's do it for fun. Let's do it on a risk-adjusted basis too. Not you going in and full porting and then that's considered good trading. No. In fact, let's do a month. Let's do a month, and it's on a risk-adjusted basis. So that means we can trade, what's the word? The same contract size per trade. You have a lot of bot accounts? Yeah, I know. They are unstoppable. Okay, DM me. $500 per trade is not a valid. I'm not trading that. I'll do like a static contract size. Just pick one contract. In fact, we can just do one micro, because we'll just see how many points at the end of the month. Points. We'll measure it on points because that's risk adjusted, right? Doesn't matter how many contracts you're trading. It's about the points, the risk to reward, all that. You take anything today? Oh boy, did you miss a day? I'm not going to trade one mini because I'm not trading minis. I don't trade minis. I'm trading micros. How can your candles move so fast? They don't on TradingView, but they do on NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader has quicker refresh rate or whatever. I have no experience. What do you recommend should I learn? I have tons of free stuff. All in my bio. All in my bio. Alright, Josh, I'm banning you because you're annoying. I don't have the time for this, guys. Like, it's really... I don't got the time for rage bait. I'm not going to deal with it. Did you take any trades today? Yes. Yes. You can watch on YouTube. You can rewind. All these live streams are saved on YouTube. And everything's in my bio. There's a whole free course. Whole free, and it's not a course where it's like literally a YouTube playlist. So it's for free, for real. And then there's the free Discord, which is for free, once again. Do you recommend prop firms? Yes, I mean, I use prop firms. I would recommend just using a cheap prop firm to practice on at first, or just using demo money. But the thing about demo money is that you're not going to experience any emotion really. With prop firms, you at least feel like there's something on the line, so that's why I think it's good practice. So like Apex Trader Funding, they're the cheapest eval. I wouldn't recommend them for actually getting a funded account on because they are quite expensive at the end of the their true cost. So I would literally just use an Apex account to demo trade basically, but kind of feel like you still have a stake in the game. Something is wrong with my freaking Replicanto. Something is seriously wrong with my Replicanto. What a crap software, dude. I paid $200 for this software, and it is messing up my trades. That's BS, man. Corey prioritizing TikTok over us. Am I missing you guys? Oh, I did miss some stuff. Whoops. Sorry, guys. Thank you, Shannon, for the nice words. And look at that, guys. The one zone that I did not trade is the zone that holds. Today was just one of those days, man. Just one of those days. This is the trade that I missed that really makes me annoyed. Because just this one trade, which was a textbook trade, I just wasn't on it. I just wasn't looking at the proper area. But it was a textbook trade. I missed it. It would have wiped everything out that happened here by a mile, which is always frustrating. But wow. I don't even know if you guys will understand this, but I have Replicanto. I have hit flatten, the button, flatten, this button here. Flatten on all of my accounts probably 5 times, and all of a sudden it just showed that I still had a position open. And now that just cost me $200 on an Apex account. When I hit flatten 5 times, dude. I don't know what is going on today. I might actually just stop using Replicanto because it is garbage. I don't understand how that's even possible. It's just not even working. You stream every day? Yes, Santiago, I stream every day. Sorry today was not as, I mean, maybe today was more entertaining, honestly, but not as good trading-wise. Usually we do a lot better than this, but... Yeah, no, F, Replicanto, dude. This happened yesterday, too. I traded the PM session, and the same exact thing happened. I was out of a trade, and then it just says that I'm just not out of a trade. I hit flat, and I hit close. I hit all the buttons to get out of a trade, and then it still shows that I have a trade in. Like, it's literally just not working. It's actually ridiculous. And I paid $200 for this software. It's insane. All right, guys, I'm done for the day. I'm way too tilted. There's like so much going wrong today that is just unbelievable. We're down $41 on the main account. Okay, $41 on the main account. These accounts, these are Apex accounts that are trading double everything that I take on the main account, and this account trades 1.5 times whatever I trade. I'm not even sure how it's possible to be down on these accounts this much, because it should just be 2 times this amount, so I should be down $80. Like I said, Replicanto is a piece of freaking garbage. I don't know how it's making... The math isn't mathing, right? It should be taking twice the size as this account, right? So this should be $80, this should be $80, this should be $80. Somehow these are down 200, 200, and 400. It shouldn't be possible with the software, but it's doing that. It's just messing up somehow, okay? These accounts are working. These are Take Profit Trader accounts. So these are the accounts that I care about the most, so very small red day on those accounts. These accounts are just for fun, but still, it pisses me off that the software is not doing what it should be doing, because I paid $200 for it, and if you're selling a $200 software, it should freaking work. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you want to learn the strategy, I know it didn't look too impressive today, but as I keep showing you guys, this is the performance that I've had live streaming. Well, not the whole thing. I haven't streamed the whole thing live, but almost every day. Okay, this is what we usually see. Nice up days, nice steady moves higher. So if you want to learn the strategy, check out the Discord, check out the free boot camp that's on my YouTube channel. Obviously, check out the YouTube channel. Okay, and I will see you guys tomorrow for hopefully a less insanely hectic, crazy day. All right, just checking GG for today, bud. Yeah, I know, literally just insane. If it goes down to your level again, will you enter? No, I'm done trading today. I literally cannot handle any more trades. Today has been insane, just ridiculous, just bad. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.